This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the phone is charged above 50% and that you've backed up important data. Once done, plug in a USB cable if you plan to use ADB. Make sure you know the exact hardware combo for your model, power plus volume up or down, because different brands vary. If you can, disable the lock PIN temporarily to speed access. You're now ready to actually trigger recovery mode using the buttons or a computer command. Press and hold the model-specific combo until the bootloader or recovery menu appears. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds and release once you see text. Alternatively, connect to a computer and run a DB reboot recovery if USB debugging is enabled. This bypasses button timing. Once in recovery, use the volume keys to move between items and power to select. Take a moment to read each option because wipe data and factory reset are. Pick the action you need, confirm it, and then select Reboot System Now. Be patient because the first boot after changes can take several minutes. Once the phone boots, verify settings, restore your backup, and re-enable your lock method. If the device enters a boot loop or fails to start, make sure you first try wiping the cache partition. If that fails, use ADB sideload to apply an official update or prepare to reinstall firmware. A single cache wipe often resolves boot issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.